Hi there, folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 180. Today, World Prematurity Day is celebrated. Today's awareness of preterm birth and the concerns of the babies and the families worldwide with which that happens to. And it's actually quite a high proportion. Around 1 in 10 babies are born premature. So, what is this figure as a percentage? Okay, so 1 in 10 can be written as a fraction as 1 over 10, a tenth. And of course, 1 over 10, if we multiply top and bottom by 10, we get an equivalent fraction of 10 over 100. And 10 over 100, or 10 out of 100, is 10% as a percentage. Okay, so on to our almost fundraising story. So lots of cracking events going on across schools all across the country for children in need, including a GBX experience in Johnston High School in Renfrewshire. But anyway, we've got this wee fundraising conundrum for you here. So one of the easiest ways to raise money is to fill a 20 pence is to fill a Smarties tube with 20 pence pieces. So a Smarties tube is 13 centimetres long and 20 pence pieces are 1.7 millimetres thick. So what's the maximum number of 20p coins that can fit into a tube of Smarties? So it's basically how many times does 1.7 millimetres fit into 13 centimetres. So it's going to be a divide, but of course we need the units to be the same. So I'm going to change 13 centimetres into millimetres by timesing by 10, so that's 130. And I want to know how many times 1.7 goes into that. And it goes in a total of 76.4705 times. So that's 76 and a bit coins. So the maximum number of 20p coins that can fit in are 76. So how much money would this raise in total? Well, it's going to be 76 coins multiplied by 20 pence, but because we want the answer in pounds, we need to multiply by 20p as a decimal, so that's going to be times it by 0.2, because that's the value of 20 pence written in pounds, and that comes to £15.20. Maybe you should try it sometime, and of course don't forget to donate your money to a good cause. So on to our sports story. So in case you ever thought your teachers at school were strict, look at the fines imposed by Frank Lampard upon all the Chelsea players. So if there was a player that was 7 minutes late for a team meeting and their mobile phone rang during the meeting, what would their total fine be? So £500 a minute times 7, and then the mobile phone ringing, so that's a one-off of £1,000, so we need to add that on, so that comes to a total fine of £4,500. Don't feel too sorry for them, guys, they earn a fortune. Okay, so on to the entertainment story. So KSI and Logan Paul II were having a boxing match in the early hours of this morning, actually, and during the pre-match press conference, there's a bit of a times table dialogue going on where Logan Paul asked KSI what is 7 times 8, and KSI declined to answer. So what answer should he have given? Well, 7 times 8, of course, is 56. And for part B, in pairs conduct your own press conference testing each other's times tables. We'd love to think and we'd love to hope that some of you are going to share that with us on either Twitter or Facebook. But there we have it, folks. That was our What Solutions for issue number 180. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems. Stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.